Right, welcome back to today's tutorial. Yeah, I'm actually going to teach you guys how to save a document from Artboard. Um, it also applies to other documents too. Yes, because this Artboard I actually thought it is just for to bring out the simplicity of designing so many like bulk projects. Yes, you can design them, work on them at once while still viewing others and checking out for corrections and a lot more. So how you would save all these documents is um, this is Artboard 5. Artboard 5. Let's close this. Have close to about Artboard 4. So what we'll do if we want to save this, you can save this individually. So you click on the layer 4. So we want to save no. Let's save layer 5. This is layer 5. Press con. You click on the. Make sure it is checked. This is checked. So you would see a border canvas around it. So 5. Click on. You right click. Then you go on to quick export as PNG. If you want something very fast, probably maybe you want to quickly show a client like that, but I use this export as. So based on, because you clicked just this 5, you would have only the 5 document here, just only the document. You just give it time to load because of the resolution settings. And so this is the design project. So from here you can actually export it here, and then take it to a location. Let's make this as 1. Save it as 1. Just give it time, and it has saved. See, this is our document we saved. So if you have multiple documents you would want to save, what you would just do is to apply the same thing. So you click on this, then you press your shift to highlight all of them. You can actually highlight all of them individually, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I actually did highlighted this, clicked on that, then I pressed my shift button, then I held at button 2. Yes, so you right click, then export as. So immediately you press as export as, it would export the whole document together. So we'll have audio document out here. So just give it a little while. My RAM is actually full. That is, I need to work on that. My storage, I have some files I downloaded. Trying to move them to my external hard drive to enable my system run smoothly. So the same thing you actually did in the first video, in the first section of the video, first part, that's the same thing you would do, and you arrive at the same result. So for printing purpose, I'll do another video because there are some settings I usually use for my printing projects. Yeah, I just alternate them a little bit. So this, see, these are the documents. This is an unfinished project. I meant this finished project, and you want me to, somebody said I should I should explain how I did this design. Yeah, this particular one. So if you want this, you want me to break down this video, comment November in the comment section. Let me know. Comment November. Yeah, and also subscribe. That's how I would know that you want me to. And like, yes, just click on that thumbs up there, over there, click it. Yeah, so after this you would export. Click on, let me reduce this so that you can see what I'm doing. See, so it doesn't be like this guy is doing magic. So they're all checked. If you want to, you can check this one or check this one. See, you don't want this one. You select all. You want all of them. So that's it. So you can actually export all of them. Exporting all of them comes with you would want to, since they are all together, they are from a project file, you would want to save them into a folder. That's why it's redirected you to a folder. So you can actually name this folder design projects. Let's direct it to our desktop. Sorry, let's direct it to my design. So it's exporting with the name artboard. Yes. Okay, let's leave it to finish up. Finish up. Takes a little while. Aside the fact that I don't know, but my RAM is actually full. Like I need to work on that. You can see it's very risky. Please don't try it. Don't try it at home. Nah. Don't try it. Don't play. Yeah. So it's here. So these are the documents we exported. You can actually see them. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are good. So that's one of the easiest way and fastest way. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and hit the thumbs up button to give me that ginger to keep on bringing up these tips to you guys. Yeah, thank you. See you some other time. Peace.